I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular knife sets so you can make a better buying decision, and I wanted to find the best set of knives. They all are very similar. Obviously, they're all knives, but there are some big differences that will make or break the purchase for you. We're gonna walk through each set. All of them come nicely packaged in nice giftable boxes. These do make great gifts. I know I would love a knife set as a gift, but I bought these. We've been testing them. We're gonna cut a bunch of stuff down here after we kind of do a little bit of run through, and I'll kind of go over which set might be the best for you based on your needs. So we have a 15-piece set right over here. We have a 14-piece set over here, and this is gonna be our 6-piece. They do count the base as a piece. I don't know, that's just what they do. All right, let's go over the 15 first. We'll go 15, 14, 6, just to be easy here. All right, they're all gonna come packaged individually just like this. The blade will be in here, the handle will be in here. Really nice. They have plastic on top of the points. You don't have to worry about anything. All these are dishwasher safe. My dad is a chef. We do not put knives in the dishwasher. But if you want to, you can do that. They're also rust proof, so you don't have to worry about that. These knives are actually coated in black. This 14 set isn't, but we'll kind of go over that. We do have a sharpener over here as well. And then down here we have holes. So if you put your knives in here and they were still wet, the water will drip out these hole slots right over here. I wouldn't really recommend putting away wet knives, but you do you. All right, let's go through these right over here. So this is gonna be our chef knife right over here. We got an 8-inch chef knife, really nice. These knives are sharp. I'm sorry, this is the chef knife right here, 8 inches. That was kind of our slicing knife right over here. This guy right over here is going to be our planka knife right over here. We got a nice pair of scissors over here. And then the front over here, traditional bread knife, that's 8 inches. You're not really seeing a lot of these bread knives lately. Usually it's just kind of like a serrated bladed knife, which is kind of annoying, but you get that with this. You have a paring knife and then a utility knife right over here. And then you have right over here, we got our serrated steak knife right over here. Everything is labeled right over here so you know exactly what it is. This is made out of wood. These handles are plastic. They're super comfortable, have a nice ergonomic feel to them. These could kind of go wherever you want. And of course, we have our sharpener at the end over here. These cannot go where you want, so we're just gonna do that right over there. There we go. So you could find the right slot, and then our sharpener is right down there. Let's go over here before we cut everything else. We're gonna put the chef knives head to head. All right, this is our 14-piece one here. This one here does come in some different pieces, so if you wanted more pieces, you could do that. If you wanted a different color, you could also do that. So for this one right over here, we're gonna have a chef knife right over here. You'll see here, this is a plastic, but it is a harder plastic than this one right over here. Again, this one does not have any black coating, but it is rust resistant and could also be put in the dishwasher. This guy, we got the traditional bread knife, 8 inches. We got our utility knife right over here, 5 inches. We got our scissors here. These have like almost like a bigger grip right over here. Right over there, a little bigger. You got like that kind of like serrated part right over here. So you could do that. Right over here is going to be our slicing knife, which is pretty crazy. And then we have a paring knife right over here. And then we're gonna have serrated steak knives right over here that are 4.5 inches. Nice handles, just like that. One of the things I really like, I remember growing up as a kid with these right over here. When you had serrated knives like this, like they would just, you know, get wet or whatever, and then they get like rusty and nasty. You don't have to worry about that with this. Let's jump to this one, then we're gonna go head to head on the chef knives. You got your pair of scissors right here. This is the smallest of the sets. This is plastic. These are wood. So big difference there. This is gonna be our slicing knife. So the 8-inch slicing knife right over there. We got our utility knife right over here. This guy right over here is gonna be our big boy chef knife. All the chef knives are a little different in each set. We'll walk through that. And you kind of have, they call this a kitchen knife. I kind of think of it as like a cleaver. So you could do whatever you want. Now you can put these knives in whatever slot you want. Doesn't really matter. The scissors do have to go here, but you have some variety with that. Let's get these chef knives head to head, and then I'll kind of go over which set would probably be best for you. Like I said, you can't really go wrong with either one of these, but there are definitely some differences that we want to do. All right, so this right over here is going to be the 21 piece. We got the 14 piece, And then this guy is going to be the 6-piece. You'll notice a couple of differences right off the bat, right over here with these blades right over here. So when you're looking at these, this blade is the smallest. When I mean the smallest, going this to here. So a little bit smaller. You lose a little leverage going down on that. These two are about the same size. So what you do right over here, really like these a lot. These are super easy to use. Literally just cut down like that. This pepperoni is like very hard, and this slice is very easy. For something like a potato, like it's seamless. Like it's kind of crazy. This one, same deal, very easy to cut with right over here. Very easy. This guy, same deal with this too. A little less leverage because the blade is a little smaller. So just kind of note that for that one right over here. They all cut really, really nice. This stuff is easy to cut. And then when you kind of have like carrots and stuff, if you have like a dull knife or whatever, it's super annoying and the carrot usually goes everywhere. You don't have to worry about these with these knives. We've been using these for about 4 weeks now. We haven't had to sharpen them. I don't know if you're kind of like into that. I know some people like to sharpen a knife before they use it regardless. You do you. All right, now head to head. I would say if you or someone is kind of like a big foodie or whatever, probably the 15-piece is going to be there. You got that extra piece. You got the wooden block right over here. You get this knife additional. So that has that little nice kind of not serrated, but has that. So that's going to be the difference. That's the different knife that you're going to get with this one right over here. I would say the 14-piece one is going to be great for someone who's maybe into like, wants a nice looking kitchen. Like this, obviously this works in our kitchen because a lot of the stuff is black here. But if you wanted kind of like, I don't know, more country, or I forgot what the decor they call that, this is going to be for you because it also comes in another color as well. And you kind of, it's very, very similar. And I guess the coating on these knives, this has the black coating, this has the stainless steel, if that mattered to you. I mean, they're both stainless steel, but the way they look is just different. And this guy's going to be great if you're short on space. You don't need all this stuff. You're like, I want a chef knife, a slicing knife, a pair of scissors, and you're good to go. That one will be for you. This is gonna be great if you don't have a lot of space either. Again, you can't go wrong with either of these knives. They work really, really well. It just really depends on what you want. I would say if you don't really care about cooking and you just kind of want something super easy, or like college, RV, an Airbnb or something, so people have knives, I would go with this one. For these two here, very, very similar. Biggest difference is you get this knife in the 15-piece set. So if that's important to you, that will be the one for you. This one also does not have a sharpener. These two do have sharpeners. These two are made out of wood. This is made out of plastic. Hope you find the right knife set for you. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right knife set for you and you cook a lot of great stuff.